So in question 11, let's talk about the mean mode median and the IQR, standard deviation stuffs. So remember, for those questions, you can just use a calculator to enter the data to get the answers directly. And the question is saying now write down, so you don't need to write any steps or using the formulas. So first of all, we're trying to clean our data. So you need to go to mode 4, right here. So mode 4. Okay, so enter the statistics mode. And then after that, we need to clean our data. So shift the plus the 9 plus the 1 to clean the data. To clean the data that we used before. Okay? So now we clean the data, then we can enter our data in. But be careful, we have this is 7, the number of working hours is 7, and the frequency is 6. So frequency means that this data 7 is repeated for 6 times. So we're not going to do it very silly to enter the 7 for 6 times. Instead, we can just enter 7 colon 6. So colon is from, you can use the shift comma. So this is from the shift comma. Okay? So I say again, 7 6 means that the data 7 is repeated for 6 times. So we enter the 7 colon 6, and then you press M plus. So that's the first data, and then you enter in this 8 colon 24, M plus. That's the second, and the third one is the 9 colon, so 9 colon 18, and then press M plus again. So 9 colon 18 means that this data 9 is repeated for 18 times. And the last one is the 10 colon 12, M plus. So that means for this data 10 is repeated for 12 times. Okay, so now we enter in all of the data, then to find out what is the mean. So the mean is equal to, you press the shift 2, and then plus the 1. You can show this X bar. That's giving you 8.6. And for the median, think about the median. For the median, there's total 30 plus 30 giving you 60 data. So the median should be the 30th and the 31st, adding up and divided by 2. So there's 30, the 31 must be 9. So the 30 is 8, the 31st is going to be 9. So adding up together divided by 2, giving you the median should be 8 plus 9 divided by 2, giving you 8.5. And now we're trying to find the IQR. So the IQR is going to be, you make it becomes this is the left half, this is the right half. And you find the median of the left half. So there's 30 data on the left half, so the lower quartile must be the 15th. So it's going to be, must be in this 8. So the q1 is equal to 8. And similarly for this right half, the 15th data must be 9. So the q3 is equal to 9, so that the IQR is equal to 9 minus 8, giving you 1. And then lastly, we need to find out the standard deviation, which is the sigma. So standard deviation is equal to, by finding the shift plus 2, and then plus 2. So you're using the shift 2 to find out what is the sigma. That's giving you 0.9165. But the answer says that 3 significant figures, so it's approximately equal to 0.917. Okay? You can see this is a very easy question to get this 4 marks, just pressing all of the data into your calculator. So you to definitely know how to use a calculator and get those marks. So now a new staff member now works in the company. The number of working hours of this new staff is 8. So which means that the 31st is plus 1. The 31st data is going to be 8. So find the change. The change means using the new minus the old in the median. So the original median is 8.5, but now because there's one more people with the number of working hours, which is 8, which means that 8 is our new median. So that the change is going to be 8.5 minus 8, giving you, should be using the 8. The new one minus the old one equal to negative 0.5. So which means that median has been decreased by 0.5.